There is so many furniture you can buy, but what you need to choose? There is custom furniture, there's in-stock furniture, there's IKEA, there's West Wing. So what to choose? How to make it in budget? How to make it in style? How to mix them? So in that video I will show you how to use furniture custom and in-stock in your home design. Hi everyone, I'm Andrey, the designer, and I've been doing interior design for around 9 years with 80 plus completed projects in different countries. And I always work within the budget with my projects. I never have unlimited budget, and I need to mix the furniture within my project to make it work in synergy, because this is design is all about mixing and creating new ideas. So what is custom furniture and what is in-stock furniture? For in-stock furniture, I mean IKEA, West Wing, and some other brands with fixed sizes, with fixed materials and fixed variety. But for custom furniture, you can choose any size you want, any material, any other functions. And of course, custom furniture costs more expensive. So to make it in budget, you need to accurately mix custom and in-stock furniture. So where do I use custom furniture as a designer? First, of course, in case of kitchen. Kitchen should be very functional and very flexible. And in the most cases, you need to use each millimeter you have for your kitchen. You can use different materials. For example, you can use MDF, because IKEA don't use MDF. They use particular board, very nice particular board, but MDF quite better. And you can apply very beautiful wood veneer for that MDF material. Also, I use custom furniture for sofa, because sofa is an accent object, and very often you need to work with its sizes very carefully. You need to make sofa comfortable, big size within your space, and with the right seating and armrest and back part. Also, I use custom furniture for closets. If you need to have floor to ceiling closet, it is the best option. When you use closet in full height, it makes the space look completed. Also for TV stand, I like to make TV stand very low and with good materials. You can also use MDF with wood veneer and it will look great. Also, you can use custom furniture for bathroom vanity, because in bathroom you need to use every centimeter you have there. Bathrooms are usually small and you need to work within that small space. But where to use in-stock furniture? You can use it in kids' bedrooms. You can use all the IKEA furniture for kids' bedroom, because kids' bedrooms are always in change. But also try to make it minimalistic. Also, you can use in-stock furniture for your tables, chairs, for any standalone items. For in-stock, I can suggest IKEA, West Wing, and if you want to have some in better quality, you can try Danish brand Muta. So the key moments you need to remember. Number 1, custom furniture when dimensions and function matter. So if you're limited in dimensions and you need more function from your furniture, you can use custom furniture. Number 2, in-stock furniture for standalone items. So for chairs, tables, lighting, use in-stock items, it is okay. Number 3, mix both. So to get very stunning design, you need to mix both in-stock furniture and custom furniture. This is where design plays the role. Number 4, IKEA and West Wing are the best for the budget and in-stock furniture. So if it was useful, just tap the like button, subscribe to my channel, and write your opinion about in-stock and custom furniture in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.